So welcome once again. Let's open the PowerShell. Okay. Now, if you experience any issue, something like you get an error, then what can we do? We have to type WinGET and then source reset at hit enter. It will reset any issue with this source. Then we have to update the source again. Let's make it bigger so we can see it. Update, and it's update. Your issue should fixed in this point, or if you still having any issue like fail in attempting source or something like this error. I often see this error on any machine, on any friend machine or something like that. So now in this point we have to type this command to restore WinGET again. And as you can see, it is up to date. So if you in this point, you will never see any error or something. So one more thing I should say, there's some people on YouTube, let's search for WinGET. Some people on YouTube say that there is a GUI version or user interface version of WinGET which work perfectly, like, and that is called WinGET CLI maybe. Let's search for WinGET, and they said this is work so well, WinGET UI. So actually WinGET UI is from a person or some person on GitHub that is called some Python thing, and it is a WinGET UI, but it is often showing error, so I don't recommend using that. It will install a lot of packages on your PC and it will show an error using WinGET. So I prefer that you should start on this classic WinGET command, and if you want to, sometime I run this command and I see when I type like WinGET update, and I see that there is a update for app installer, which is the package for WinGET. And if you see that, then you have to update all __ all, and you will update it to latest version of WinGET. And that's it for this class. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for joining this class.